yesterday, a guy on a bike, and he had a light, and it was flashing, a little flashing light, and it caught my attention. I thought, yeah, good idea. But there's that many people on bikes, and they don't make a noise. And with all the hustle and bustle, you know, sometimes I'm getting older, and certain things slip through the net, don't they?
Number one,
hope never have a bad accident. Hope never you try your best to keep sort of your wits about you, and if something blends in too well, then obviously you don't see it. Hyde Park, Book Club, Hyde Park. Moon unit. Isn't it? Why am I asking you guys to see it? I suppose that's the beauty of getting used to cameras. You talk to them like there's somebody there and yet they can't see what you can see. Is that what presenters do? Like a TV presenter, they talk to you as if you're in the room with them. That's a good thing, isn't it? Is it good to make you feel as if you're part of the process, part of the in the room? I think so. Them buses are very bright. Yeah, I'll get in lane. Yeah, we're actually on this bit of the road as well, where they overtook me checking his fist out window. A bit petty really, a bit Neanderthals, but there we go. But it's quite it rattled my cage a little bit, not in a negative way, but I thought, is everybody, is this what it is now? In town centre? Is it like wacky races? I'll tell you what, a mate of mine, he went to Vietnam, and he showed me, he said, I've taken some footage of the traffic in Vietnam, and it was a 5-minute clip. I said, really? You're going to show me a 5-minute clip of cars in Vietnam? He said, watch it, Daz. You will not believe what it's like. And he just showed me the street, and he put camera to him so you could see him. So yeah, he's actually there. He's not just something he's downloaded off the internet. He's actually there. He said, it's constant traffic, cars, bikes, lorries, trucks, all over here. But it's about 10 lanes deep in this. I don't know where it went in Vietnam. He says, and when you to walk, he said, you just got to go out and go for it. And they dodge round you. He said, it's all fitting together like a jigsaw. He said, he said, don't stop. You go out and you walk. And I thought you'd having a laugh. He says, no. Go out, Dad, and you walk and you don't stop. You've just got to walk and they go around you. Everybody. I said, what about trucks and lorries? He says, they go around you. Don't stop. If you knew what that were, it's that now. Every time we go past the uni, it cuckoos. Don't actually like it, I don't know. So, really I thought, you know, I'm complaining about a few people getting irate. Now, should they get irate? Should I be going faster than the limit? Because I notice a lot of people.
This person's phone is switched off. Please try later or send a text.
That is so close and I find it dangerous. I like to come back from the car and I come back and somebody goes and fills the cap in. Am I getting too old for it? Do I need to hang up my driving gloves? Who knows? I don't think so.
The number you have dialed has not been recognized. Please check and try again. The number you have dialed has not been recognized. Please check and try again. The number you have dialed has not been recognized. Please check and try again.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I nearly went down there yesterday. Don't want to go down there. Yeah. Good going. Oh, I'm getting into this. There we go. See it here. Yeah. It's all making sense now. Leeds city centre. You'd think I was in London, wouldn't you? The big metropolis. I'm in Leeds. But anyway, I better kick your mind up road, so see you.